Small twist to the left, like this. Pulls straight out, and there's the bulb. The bulb pulls straight out of that socket. You replace it with a new one. You can prevent touching it with your fingers by wearing a glove or a paper towel or something. It's always good to keep the lens as clean as you can. They'll last longer and look cleaner. But this is for demonstration, and I'm not actually replacing it right now. You twist it back in, and it's done. That was the passenger side. The driver's side is the same way. Small twist, pull out, remove the bulb, replace it with a new one. This style bulb does not matter which way it faces. You push it back in its socket. Poke it back in the hole. Small twist, and it's done.